Alright, nakwakira wasibota nibigenda bite byori korokwe aho nahori ninkusimira kimwe abwo kunda Ankole Media TV kandi turiyaho murembo rwambara izina ndi Beazine ZDJ Serebo wambara kandi ninjanti nokore chamani. I thank you for subscribing. Ninkusima abwo kunda waka yitu kandi okaguma notambura nitu. We are always here to give you what is happening in music industry and any other field. As in etokubano nda kumanya chona, we are here for you. Give us your subscription, ugumoto following, ugumorebe kandi sharing, ohereze n'abatayi bawe kugira ngo tukwatanise dombeke na mnonga industry yitu ya Western Uganda. Right about now ndiha Alpha Music kandi niho twatayira omwe the leading producers hii omu Western Uganda abarumune bakoraje mnonga ekikwereka ainita fariri hangu ryari munata music yitu kandi niko kushara muntu mutayire tuganire munawe kimwe bibiri turebe cyayineyo necyari muna planning akora in few coming years ningashi next generation na ibyo ne byari munabara tingwenda kushisha ubwire twakwakira Jkayz. It's been a long time.
Twa kunyakira nanye nashemerwa kubakira studio aha emwe kuja Alpha Music
na we wow ubwire bwa buringwa tukweruka last year.
I think
chatura kuri so how have you been kuramuzya abafans bawe n'abarebi?
Nabaramusya amazina ndi Jkayz Alpha kandi official producer wa Alpha Music kandi ndio wambaye mnywe ndio wambara na Uganda yona na Africa literally I'm international. I will see me myself though nabaramusya kandi makunda munga
nicho bintu ori Jkayz agyari as per now umuntu yabuza ati Jkayz nabara kininga aryo muri ki
shahezi Jkayz is looking at a lot. Is going off boundaries tinkurebire bintu so I believe nti chone chindi yoni mbara it is going on another step for Western Uganda.
Yeah. Well, Jkayz, you're multi-talented, I may say. No, you shongora, you play instruments, you're producer. Let's talk about production. Obwiro utwamara tutakurebaho ninga tutakutayayiza. Of course tukura waka na waka tukujireba. How far are you standing production wise? Munshongezo kukora ezo kuproducing uyemerire
when we get another great producer we retire. Which means I'm still number one.
You're still number one. So you're still leading them. So far ebyeshongoro rwagataha
atari mu legend.
Legend to kumbara era stiro katujangwa ngugo to kumbara yo
waka yamai
okatujangwa ngugo to kumbara ebyeshongoro so far bitwakubasa kujangu within this year turumuntu tuhendera of course 2022 ebyeshongoro byo kujangu ececeshongoro tukozereje akuba Jkayz akataho mukono gwe ninkachiyana ki
ishongoro kane binji
ariko kuba kikuzereje
so we are in 2020 what
2022
nothing kubara mwaka ba commando ne last year hari
commando last year yeah
ne last year had guy ne this year think chira kora projects nyingi koza mama beshongozi nibakora beshongo bingi but I don't really love to do a lot of work that is not making sense. So naza shows echeshongo which means it's going to be very important and big. Yes, I've worked with Truth, I've worked with Paul, I've worked nakora the new song with Chameleon. Yes.
We shall talk about it briefly in front of Misha. Twagamba ukache cha hard guy ninga Truth. Ntureba what is magic between you and Truth? Production ya Truth yo kwataho aro magic iri mu byeshongoro kubikushora it is always loved the most tujengu no kujangu no manya
literally by the way chachiri important mnonga by mostly artists wanaweza kukora na producer wena should have that connection. So in Truth we are friends, we are very close friends by the way. Yeah, na koleche shongoro na ichiriza kumuhabura naona you know, so we come up with something that can be nice all of us. Chikunda it is bad kushanga ntomweshongozi yija na mkoreche shongoro na ya fagagenda wanchenga, but if we do it and we are all happy at the end of the day, all the people will be happy about it. Yeah,
I get you. I got chena burizecho echeshongoro cha adga ituwa gambao chikati cha tambra. Yes, then we got a new song from Truth cha disco. It is also a nice song, but era still bana ba praying it abako batugiye on field ba praying a disco baka praying hard guy era still chikuru nchiguma china mani no. So ncho naburiza no kujangu no manya ninga ine magic ndije imwe ineme yimukora eyo takwereza abandi ba artist.
Magic ni Jkayz
bature Jkayz bature ako nako nikasi finally no guma no bureta bona ni boy. Anyway chatureba ari NKORE Media TV ntre Beazine ZDJ kandi turiyo murembo rwambara Alpha Music niho turi ejeshaha. Of course legend ya ruha konkaye mzabuza. Anyway big ups Bruno Beats for your time na no kuri kintu chamani yo arumuna kuri kintu chamano mu industry kandi chiyatande cherekare. Martin Fashions, thanks for styling me. Twagaruka owa Jkayz musically cause nokora music na nat music this year, how did it go musically as an artist?
Literally I would say it was very amazing. Though a change in kureba music yanje too much so na sharamu kugira ngo can't posing. Yeah, I decided to pause it because I realized it is too much for this generation. So let us first wait for abana bo mugiga
tutegereza abana baba asumani
watching ahubwo music age no maembera people no banzoreba industry yorimo. So you try music yanje guy na nyashobire nagira why I'm feeding a lot, let me reduce cost.
Because our rwagati yo mwaka Jkayz akayatubera Jkayz 2 weeks new song, 1 week new song.
Not really. I released an album. It was an album.
So for us we felt like
we were enjoying an album.
So kutwa turejesho ngo tutekateka ndisya wache releasing.
Yeah, I think the only 2 songs that I released, the Kaberi Hero na Good Hope akasese, then na Mashani.
Amashani, yeah, actually. The song which was in Jojo Bana to
Jojo Bana, by the way, Nachoni cha
this year. So who are identifying music hearing this generation who are posing?
Kama nzemba tere ngoma, kanda weshongozi nibinji, and it is important to abanza ukasortinga chintu chimwe, then ebindi bikwiza later. Kama nsortinga weshongozi banje naone bandi banisigamanya. So if I do one thing, I focus on production, and chances zile munkore ka deluxe. It is like an album kabeshongozi nibakubani ba featuring deluxe ejo.
Okay.
So that tubatere ndongo.
So we expect something.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All right. Ochatureba katuchene Jkayz bature wano kubahanura nkahi. Anyway, twagumiza of course related iwe tukuza kuyo munshongo za production cause abinji nitukufeelinga more when you produce out something than ninjani to wagambiro the music is beyond us. Tuventura production tura watunurira kusinga music ya yuwa eshongora. Ukakoreche shongoro cha Dr. Jose Chameleone. Kuku watugambira. Echeshongoro echo, how did it come to you?
Makandonda.
Abwa
bakanshangaha. Twakora and it was a very good song. Chashora.
Chikakugendera chitaho gukora na Chameleone. Abamwito maba kumureba tutina ntujangu nkogugwe. Coming here and do something with him or Ruranganwa Mbarara. He is a legend, had been in existence. How did it go? between you and him.
It is a very great experience aho kubati buri producer nakora nawe kandi nawe naika akunda of course asharamukora icyo nagamba buri yangu not every artist works with every producer, which means aro producer akora ki akumchenga so nchimtwaro bwire. So I think when he came twabondinga akaraba mu studio nyingi but kuyakiro wanje asharamukora ki katkora.
So did it add anything on your brand?
I think that's why you're here. That's why you're here. And I've got I think connections in Kampala. Very many artists have called me. And they're really ready to work and willing to do something.
Recently I was following, I saw you with the parasol. Anything coming soon?
A lot.
So you may promise nobasa kuturaganisa kujangu twine projects nyingi zikurugo wa Jkayz Omweshongozi ba Central
ba Kampala. Though think kwenda to because in the page and down to commenting Jkayz as a Kampala what I think we should all be glad in the at least in the crossing the borders kushanga ntina producer ambara yakora onkai
Kampala
yakora Omweshongozi ba legend nako zake shongo ka grenade. So it makes sense nti we are pushing na kuriya tukoreche tubahambe mpora
akuba tubetwayibuza na Jkayz ntura Kampala tujenga umbara tubetwa mangubara wa Rugari.
Not really. In your headquarters tokamanya one day one time soon tukubakora na branch Kampala.
We work.
So we twagenda kuriya here nafuna ba client I come back home.
Among the people you brought in this industry tukamanya munonga harimo Rasta Dog. Rasta Dog akijaho rwagati yabura just recently
these lessons kandi anyiti nyine bizo kumuhereza chance ndijo to come up with something bamwachira bakamukunda of course. And he has his pages that are live. Didn't think of deleting a page no. I gave him a break sort himself.
Because of course niwe muntu wa muresero kamu introducinga kandi tukamanya uryo mwaka ma Rasta Dog bwa Jkayz. So we were getting worried tukwebuza what is happening and why did it happen. So if he's coming, so not promising Rasta Dog is back.
Yeah, Rasta Dog is around. Rasta Dog are booked in bookings coming this whole season. And he's available. I think he's happy and took one to the example ampora na industry ya change and it is good kushanga Omweshongozi no chenga industry. Kumangu you have to be at home waruga okazaha the way I'm treating you here chirinko mukazi the way I treat you here is not the way Beazine is going to do to treat you. So you have to know if you have a chance. That's why I'm here now. It is 8 years. I'm in Alpha Music. Think as a gahonti na ruga na Japan. I know what I want. And it is important to know what you want. Yes.
Jkayz ntuiriro kuhendera cause ntwanda tuje tugume tutaya heroine yakasya you give out to people, you talk to them. What could be future plans of Jkayz? What are you planning kujangu soon or next year? We may have something to garuke tufoneyo kaka album together.
I told you in Tindeni Nkora Deluxe Sejo. Deluxe no kwero Omweshongozi Kandi ninga mushanju. Nkamshanju. They will sing but they will be owned by me.
Okay.
And then tukuba twine na kapate. You see Noreva nka kokuhari.
So to celebrating a new home.
Celebrating. Mostly those people who have been supporting us. Yes.
I'm among.
Yeah, sure.
So Jkayz, you in the industry, so maybe talk with Visa. What could be your favorite top 10 songs within this year? Because kujangu this year na mnongo mu Western Uganda kujangu. These are my best top songs. Utatire maybe.
Kweli.
kumarira. Top 10 songs from Jkayz.
I'm a person who listens to every song that comes out from Western Uganda. And I think my number one will be Tebere. Techanje, it is nice. It is a very nice song. Then Disco is also nice. Truth. Then Arona Keshongoro ni baketa naka Ambroid. Baketa
Mtigo mniga.
Pan.
Endongo.
It is a nice one. Then Omweshongozi Kandi na Emirates kazi aina Keshongoro aho
Akakafya. Agasharama.
Sharama. Araho yagizirengo baby we
ngambisoro harabu.
That's nice. Then Ariyo Keshongoro chao.
We are around 6 now.
Maketa nakovuga umujogo Edio nibaketa Edio music. Edio go nikoko kubanza kuyatire kari muka president aho wakachenga nibaketa iti muhogo. John Chuni. Then ariho na Keshongoro kandi ka Heli Baby. Ka Heli Baby nikakundana godo ninye nakakozire nibaketa Amen kari album yeye. Then hariho na Keshongoro ka last I think Good Hope Obuchi.
I know.
Those are enough.
They are enough. As a producer, ba producer bokora no mu Western Uganda bakupromisinga kuja gukora waka nungi.
Ba producer kandi bingi. Ba producer ni Manyahiro, ni Manya instrumental, ni Manya K-Touch, hariyo ndijono. Ni bingi, ba producer bingi.
But they are all promising.
They are promising. They are very promising because we need more producers. And we need different touches. Me, I'm versatile. I can do anything. But not that every artist knows that I can do everything. So, Omweshongozi nasa kufuna yo producer we nkahiro agira niyo kanze nkai kanza. So it makes more sense. We have new producers and they're doing good. Baza kwika revejo abature nacho nje kubantukora.
I get you. We've came in industry yitu ya Western Uganda tuireho. So nitwe tuje twajaka kutandike tuje twatamuna online television zitu NKORE Media. We have Mchiga TV, we have Western Media, we have 8 TV I think. Does it make sense to our music industry according to you?
I think we should embrace social media. It is very important because people wouldn't even know what I'm talking about right now. So I think we are growing, kandi we are equipping ourselves kureba ngo twafune ibintu bisyo mu industry. No my industry in eri wide munonga. There are a lot of things that we have not done. Now when the radio came in, you realize how music was being played. Na TV is at in the TV. Now we have online TVs, we have online. People are always on phone, they're on TikTok, they're on Facebook. So it makes sense. Intinanya ndakumanya producer Jkayz ninza online TV yanyu ni ndeba wombara wachenga. Na ntakumanya people ni mshanga aho. So stories zitu, it's good that you people are bringing out our documentaries and giving us the best. It's nice and we are happy.
Wow, your last words, then we sign out.
My last words.
Christmas message.
Nothing in a Christmas message. Yes, we now Christmas. But all I want to tell Western Uganda people and artists and everyone who believes in the music of Western Uganda that we are going far, and I believe we are doing better things. Music in Mnonga kandi when it is changing we should also change for the good cause. Tutaguma mu kadongo kamwe Sokoto nakira kuketa akadodi. Yeah, so I think we are doing better. We are doing good music. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for your time, Jkayz Bature, Jkayz Alpha, Jkayz Beats, of course, and Beazine ZDJ. We are at Alpha Music, kandi off Savage and we have a camera na RN7 we are here. Big up Regent Ninga Bruno Beats, and I may say, God bless you, Mukama nako.